Right. I think we're just going to leave the spreadsheet stuff till the end because it's just not working. So, I've done my research and I found that my flights cost $3,032. So we can either take $150 off or we can take 10% off. Let's do the $150 first because that's the easiest. So, we'll put this up here. 3,032 minus 150, that is going to equal, let's get the calculator, you could probably do it in your head, but it's a bit tricky, minus 150, 2,882. Cool. Now, to make it even better, we can put $150 off, and then down here we can do 10% off, just so we've got those two separate categories, make it look nice. So, same thing, it's actually the same thing as this question here. We do the exact same process. So, my total cost is $3,032. We're going to have to times that by 10. Let's do that. That gives us 30,320. And then to turn this into actual dollars, divide by 100. $303.20. Whoops, wrong one. Now we have to actually write this process. So 3,032 times 10. And then what we do, oops, sorry, that's going to equal 30,320. We've got to take this number and then we have to divide it by 100. That's going to equal $303.20. Now this might look confusing. You literally just have to follow the exact same process every time and it will be fine. Put your number in here. Whatever your flights cost, just stick it in there. And then whatever this equals, just divide by 100. Now there's 20 cents left over. Just round it down. We don't need to worry about cents in this. It's just a bit too much. So we need to take this off of the 3,032. So 3,032 minus $303 equals, let's have a look, 2,729. 2,729. Cool. So, which one are we going to use? Which one's going to save us more money? If we do this method, the flights cost this much. If we do this method, the flights cost this much. Which is the lower number? Which one are we paying less? We're paying less on this one. So you might write take 10% off because it will save us money. Don't just copy paste what I've written. This sentence you can do 10 different ways. And I will know if you just copy pasted what I said. You could be well, choose the second option because it is the less dollar amount, saying the exact same thing and you're not just copy pasting my stuff. Cool, that question's finished. What we're going to have to do then, we're going to have to take this number and we're going to have to put it into our budget. Now, this 3,032, that's where we're going to replace it. If I click on the spreadsheet, it will end the recording because the computer doesn't like it. So we'll come back to it later. But yeah, question 1, done. Question 2, done. Now we need to look at our itinerary and then we need to look at our budget. Question 3, we can only do after we've done all our budgeting and stuff. So we can't do that yet. We'll come back to it. So I'm going to click on this spreadsheet and it's going to end the recording and you'll just have to watch the next video.